Hello and welcome back to your maths class, dear children. Children, in our today's session, we are going to cover a new chapter, that is addition. So let's just understand the basic meaning of addition first. Addition means putting things together. Putting things together means, suppose you have different number of things. For example, you have 2 pencils and 2 erasers, right? And you have to find out how many things you have in together. So we're going to keep them together, 2 pencils and 2 erasers, and let's count. 2 pencils, 1, 2 and 2 erasers, 3, 4. So we have 4 things together. So addition basically means whenever we have to keep the things together. Keeping the things together is called addition. This is the sign of addition, my dear children. This is the plus sign. You call it as the plus sign. Moving on. Here is another example. There are 2 boys and each of them has different number of balls with them. So we just have to count how many balls do they have in together. As I use the keyword in together, so we have to find out how many number of balls they have in together. So let's just count. The first boy has 6 balls and the second boy has 3 balls. We have to find out the number of balls they have in together, so we will simply add or put a plus sign. So I have put in a plus sign in between them, and now let's add both the numbers. How do you do that? 6 in the mind, yeah, and count after 6 till number 3. 7, 8, 9. Yes, so together we have 9 balls. Easy. Moving on, children. Now there are 2 ways of addition, or you can say there are 2 methods of addition. The first is the horizontal addition and the second is the vertical addition. So there are 2 ways of adding, horizontal addition and vertical addition. Let's just see. Over here, the picture above is the example of horizontal addition. What is horizontal addition? When you keep the number just beside the other number. For example, 5 is written here and the next number is written just beside the first number and a plus sign is written, right? Horizontal addition is the type where you keep the numbers just together and putting a plus sign in between. For example, there are 5 rings over here and 4 blue rings over here, and there is a sign of addition or the plus sign, and we have to find out how many rings there are in together. So counting them, we got our answer number 9. And what is vertical addition? When you keep the first number above and the second number below the first number. See, number 1 is at the above and the second number 2 is below the first number, and a plus sign is just at the side of both the numbers. See the difference in vertical direction. In vertical addition, the numbers are just one number is above and the other one is just below the first number, and the horizontal addition, the 2 numbers are just beside each other and there is a plus sign between. Understood? So over here you can see there is 1 football and over here there are 2 footballs. So in all, how many football, you tell me? Yeah, there are 3 footballs. Moving on. Now we are going to cover some pages of Maths is Fun. This is page number 24. Over here we have to add by counting forward. Okay, see over here 1 plus 1. Over here this concept is, children, whenever you add one number to any number, the answer is the number next to that number. For example, if you add 2 plus 1, it means up one number. When you add with any number, the answer is the number after this number. So answer is 3. What comes after 2? 3, because we are simply adding one number to the previous number. So the answer will be just number after this number. Understood? So here, what is 1 plus 1? 2, right? Next, 4 plus 1. We are adding 1 to the first number. So 4 plus 1 is, yes, what comes after 4? 5. So similarly, you have to do all these questions. Now second type questions are simply addition of horizontal direction. The numbers are just kept beside each other and there is a plus sign. So you have to solve these questions on your own. For example, anyone I am just choosing For example, 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3. So 7 in the mind, and you have to count from 8 till 3. 8, 9, 10. So the answer is 10. Understood? So you have to do this page. Moving on. Over here, this is the partition. Over here, what you have to do, just carefully observe. There are some pastries or cakes kept together. They are saying 7 is equals to 3 plus 4. So over here, what you have to do, they have made a partition between the number of pastries. See, over here there are 4 pastries, and over here there are 3 pastries. So when you mix all these pastries, when you keep all the pastries together, we are seeing that there are 7 pastries. So they have put in a partition in place of this plus sign. So this is the way you have to solve the other questions. Over here, just see, just observe. This question I'm solving for you. There are a number of keys over here. They are saying 8 is equal to 3 plus dash. First, let's count how many keys. There are 8 keys. So, and you have been told that there are 3 keys at one side. So, how many keys will be there the other side? So, sabse pehle what you have to do? Just count 3 keys, 1, 2, 3, and put a partition. How many keys left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Simply write 5 here. Easy. Partition means putting a line in between. And putting a line is so easy. Let's see another question. Over here they are saying there are 8 apples. 8 apples is equal to 1 plus how many apples? So first of all, we know that at one side there is only 1 apple. So after 1 apple we will make one partition and count the number of apples left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yeah, it means there are 7 apples on the other side. Easy? So similarly, you have to do the rest questions on your own. Moving on. Addition with 0. This is a new concept, children. See, whenever a number is added to 0, or you can say a 0 is added to any number, the answer to that question is the number itself. It means the answer does not changes. The answer is that number itself. For example, over here, if you see, I'm adding 0 to 5. Whenever you add 0 to any number, the answer is number itself. The answer is 5 only, no? So, because 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. Whenever you add 0 to any number, the answer will be that number only. For example, 7 plus 0, answer will be 7 only, right? So there are some questions related to this concept of addition with 0 on your page 26 of the book Maths is Fun. First, let us look at one other example. Over here there is a basket and there are different teddies kept in the basket. Over here there are no teddy kept. See, 0 number of teddies kept, so we are writing 0 over here. Plus how many teddies? This side 3 teddies. So whenever you add 0 to any number, so total there are how many teddies? 3 only, because here there is no teddy, no? So only 3 teddies we have. So similarly, there are questions on page 26. You have to do this neatly in your book. Okay? Moving on to the homework. Homework is page number 27. This is a blend of 2 types of questions, a vertical addition and horizontal addition. Over here this is horizontal addition and over here this is vertical addition. Let's solve one of each. Over here 4 plus 4, very easy. Keep the number 4 in the mind and start counting from number 5 till number 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Easy. Now next, these are the vertical addition questions. 3 plus 5. Again 3 in the mind and let's start counting till 5 after 3. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Answer is 8. So easy, children. Horizontal and vertical addition you have to do in your book. Understood? I hope you've understood the concept of addition. Addition means putting things together. Okay? And the concept of addition with 0 also. Whenever you add any number to 0, the answer is the number itself. The answer does not changes. Okay? Children, do all these pages neatly in your book Maths is Fun. Thank you. Have a nice day.